Previously unseen details all throughout the universe, including right here in our own solar system, have been revealed using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, and the results so far are fascinating. Webb has given scientists and the world a powerful new set of tools to help explain our place in the universe. And with its unprecedented power to detect and analyze otherwise invisible infrared light, objects that were once impossible to observe have come into clear view. Over the last 4 years, the observatory has collected nearly 900 terabytes of publicly available data, prompting more than 2,600 research papers, while allowing us to see deeper and with more precision than ever before. Since operations began, the telescope has enabled us to look back in time throughout nearly all of our universe's 13.8 billion year history. Webb has unveiled new stars in their dusty cocoons, remnants of exploded stars, and the dense hearts of galaxies. Webb has studied weather on gas giant exoplanets and hunted for atmospheres on rocky exoplanets. Closer to home, Webb has provided new insights into the planets of our own solar system while sizing up asteroids in our own planet's neighborhood. While researchers are actively pointing the telescope at parts of the sky that have never been fully investigated, teams are also revisiting previous observations from other NASA space telescopes like Hubble, Chandra, and Spitzer to tease out new details. Astronomers can now find exciting questions based on existing archives of data and look for answers with Webb. These combined observations are allowing researchers to get a more comprehensive view of the universe around us and how we fit into it. Webb was specifically designed to observe cosmic dawn, a time during the first billion years of the universe when the first stars and galaxies were forming. We had expected to see a few faint galaxies, hints of what would become galaxies like the Milky Way. Instead, Webb has shown us surprisingly bright galaxies that developed within 300 million years of the Big Bang. Galaxies with black holes that seem far too massive for their age, and an infant Milky Way-type galaxy that existed when the universe was just 600 million years old. Webb has observed galaxies that already turned off, stopped forming stars within a billion years of the Big Bang, as well as some that developed quickly into modern-looking spirals. This tells us that the early universe evolved much faster than we thought, rapidly forming multiple generations of stars and enriching the universe with the elements we see today. Using Webb's powerful infrared vision to peer through gas and dust, we are able to see and study the intricate details of nearby galaxies that are invisible to other telescopes. This captivating image, known as the Phantom Galaxy, shows expansive spiral arms with lanes of warm dust, knots of glowing gas, and giant bubbles carved by hot young stars. The dust-free core of the galaxy is filled with older, cooler stars, seen glowing a vibrant blue. And right here in our own solar system, Webb has made exciting new discoveries of our neighboring planets and their moons. Among the icy ocean worlds nearby, Saturn's moon Enceladus may be the most intriguing. NASA's Cassini mission first detected water plumes coming out of its southern pole, but only Webb could reveal the plume's true scale as a vast cloud spanning more than 6,000 miles, about 20 times wider than the moon Enceladus itself. This water spreads out, encircling Saturn far beyond the rings that are visible in backyard telescopes. Webb's unique observations of rings, auroras, clouds, winds, ices, gases, and other materials in the solar system are helping us better understand what our cosmic neighborhood is made of and how it has changed over time. With intriguing results too numerous to list, we are happily met with many new questions to answer and vast expanses of the universe to observe in a way that only the James Webb Space Telescope can. More excitingly, this is only the beginning. Launched with incredible precision and carrying over 20 years of fuel, there is still so much waiting to be discovered by the most powerful space telescope humanity has ever built.